So here we are again at Roxy's place, or more accurately, Roxy's fridge. We're going to be taking some pictures in her fridge. So I had this idea, a kind of little bit of a concept piece, where Roxy is going to be in front of the fridge and she's going to be really, really hot. So she's at the fridge trying to cool herself down, and she's got a nice bottle of Coke. We've been to the supermarket and filled the fridge up with bottles of Coke, watermelon, strawberries, all the sorts of things that you might see on a nice summer's day. So that's kind of setting the scene nicely. The only light source that we're going to be using is a single speed light in the fridge, and that's just going to bounce off the back of the fridge, come forward, and it's going to illuminate Roxy's body. The idea being, once again, that you don't need a myriad of expensive lighting equipment to get some great pictures in the home. Okay, it works really well. I have got a little reflector here, gold reflector. That's just going to bounce some light back in, only a little bit, just to fill in the shadows and make it a little less dark just in the kind of foreground there. I'm going to be using my 85mm lens, my lovely trusted 85mm lens. Yeah, it's going to be great. We're going to get Roxy sort of oiled and watered up and get some really hot pictures. Okay, let's get cracking. Okay, so up until now, Roxy has been very dry because we wanted to get some shots in the bag before we put some water on her, because we didn't want to kind of ruin what was turning out to be some really nice images. And once we got water on and the bikini wet, then it's all going to go a bit strange. So we're going to put the water on now, and hopefully it's all going to work very nicely. She really isn't going to like this bit. Okay, you ready?
Do what?
No, we'll do your face. Okay. Chin up, chin up, chin up.
You get a towel, don't slip.
I think we're done. We're going to get a towel and dry the floor so Roxy doesn't slip.
Me.
And then we're going to take some pictures.